you took some pills for that menopause stuff.
Oh, it doesn't do any good. I'm hot, I'm cold, I've got my own global warming, global cooling, I'm freezing half the time, I'm hot half the time. Oh, it's not funny. Even my ears are sweating. Think about the poor people that live in the places where it used to be 120 degrees and it's going to be 130 degrees, or it used to be 60 degrees and it's going to be 40 degrees. Those are
Have you ever
huge
been in
things.
120 degrees?
No.
I was in Las Vegas once. It was 120 degrees. It was brutal. And let me tell you something. 120, 130 doesn't matter anymore. So maybe you need to wear a t-shirt.
Well, maybe I should just wear nothing.
I wasn't going to say it, but yeah, baby. Let's sweat together.